Biodiversity. Describe the enormous variety of life on Earth. Species diversity. Ecodiversity. Genetic diversity. The invasive species can pose a threat to biodiversity by altering ecosystems. Conservation. Careful preservation and protection of something. Preservation. Protection. Maintenance. In many parts of the world, water conservation is essential during the summer months. Topography. A detailed map of the surface features of land. Landscape. Geography. Terrain. The latest aerial cameras are capable of capturing the Earth's topography from space. Extinction. A situation in which something no longer exists. Obliteration. Destruction. Extermination. Extinction of the species happened after poachers killed many of the animals. Contamination. The process of making something dirty or poisonous. Infection. Degradation. Pollution. There is already a high level of environmental contamination from radioactive waste. Global warming. A gradual increase in the Earth's temperature. Global heating. Climate change. Climate crisis. A rising level of greenhouse gas emissions is associated with an increased risk of global warming. Aquifer. An underground layer of water bearing. Groundwater. Reservoir. Fountain. Deforestation has been accelerated while underground aquifers are being exhausted. Renewable energy. Energy comes from natural sources or processes. Solar energy. Wind energy. Hydropower. Renewable energy is energy produced by wind, sun, and other sources that will never run out. Flora. All the plant life present in a particular region. Vegetation. Foliage. Plant life. The province contains rich areas of biodiversity of a range of flora and fauna. Husbandry. The cultivation or production of plants or animals. Farming. Agronomy. Agriculture. Grasslands provide more scope for combining conservation and livestock husbandry. Recycling. Process of converting waste into reusable material. Reutilizing. Reprocessing. Regenerating. Recycling helps control environmental pollution by reducing the need for waste dumps. Poaching. Catching and killing of animals without permission. Killing illegally. Hunting. Intruding. Poaching poses a huge threat to the survival of the rare animals in our environment. Ecology. The relationship of living things to their environment. Biosphere. Ecosphere. Natural world. Chemicals in the factory sewage system have disrupted the ecology of the whole area. Fossil fuel. Fossil fuels are the fuels formed by natural processes. Gasoline. Crude oil. Natural gas. In recent times, the agriculture industry has become a major fossil fuel energy user. Emission. A substance that goes into the air. Discharge. Radiation. Transmission. Transport causes the emission of carbon dioxide, which in turn causes global climate changes. Erosion. The process of eroding or being eroded by wind, water. Corrosion. Weathering. Decomposition. Experts believe that poor farming methods have contributed to increased soil erosion. Logging. An act of cutting down trees on a large scale. Deforestation. Chopping. Cutting down trees. People are cutting down thousands of acres of rainforest through illegal logging. Eco-friendly. Earth-friendly or not harmful to the environment. Environment-friendly. Viable. Green. The new policy would not only be efficient but would also be eco-friendly. Fauna. All of the animal life present in a particular region. Animals. Creatures. Wild animals. Flora and fauna, in particular birds, are the victims of oil and other forms of pollution. Carcinogen. A substance that is likely to cause cancer. Deadly chemical. Health hazard. Poison. All are highly carcinogenic. Plutonium is one of the deadliest substances known in the environment.